Okay, so really quickly, you can check your environment from the terminal if you're running on Linux or another system that you believe has PHP installed. And I'll go ahead and show you that. Before I do, I'm just going to show you my particular MAMP screen since I am running on Mac. MAMP is actually a little install that you can put on your system, and it tells you whether Apache and MySQL is running, and you can actually test it out and make sure that everything is installed correctly. If you're not using MAMP though, or you're using WAMP, you'll find something similar with WAMP, but you can also check this information from the command line by running php version. And you can see I'm running 5.5.6 or higher, so I should be okay since we have a 5.3.3 requirement. And I can also check to make sure that I have MySQL installed and running, and I can check that by doing a -- version for MySQL. And I can also attempt to use the MySQL client, which puts me into my MySQL prompt. The last thing that I want to check is my actual application. Each LAMP stack may use a different port for your Apache web server, but typically it's either on port 80 or something like that. In my particular case, everything is held on port 8888, 48s, and I can test that by going to my MAMP context. So my local Apache responded with this particular page, and it says I've got MAMP installed and it's working. And if you're on Windows, you should have something similar for WAMP. And if you're on Linux, you should be able to access your Apache web server as it's configured. So hopefully you're at this point where you have a LAMP stack installed on your machine, and we'll go ahead and take a look at what's involved in getting Zend running on our LAMP stack now.